Hey, what's up guys, it's design engineer again. In today's video we will be learning how to move, delete, position and centralize a lot of things. All your content in a project, you can move them at once, you can centralize them, you can edit them at once with this wonderful trick I'm going to expose to you now. Alright, this is it. For instance, now you want to this fellowship and of a brethren, you want to move it a bit, you want to scale it up. Now you need to start dragging this shape, everything. You need to start dragging them, moving it, and sometimes they won't lap, and sometimes it makes you very stressed when designing. So this is a new trick there's a new trick I'll be revealing to you now. So let's undo this. Okay, now this is it. You just simply come to your layer 2 and you go to the particular thing you want to move. So you come to this brethren, you come to this 2 here, then you click on it. We are clicking on brethren, fellowship, these buttons and of the. Now I want to move them at once without stressing ourselves moving them individually. So you click on this plus icon here, this pencil icon, then you click on it. Now it's giving you a lot of options to choose from, which is rotate, scaling, central alignment and left, vertical, horizontal alignment. You can position it, you can hide it, and you can lock it just at once. And the second one here is delete button, and the third one here is the match button, which most of us always use. Okay, so let's cancel. So now you want to move this text at once, so you click on this and we are central aligning it or we are positioning it. So now it's giving us the option to move it just at once. Wow, this is beautiful. So you can move an image, a text, everything just at once without giving yourself the stress of doing it. And for instance, now we mistakenly shift this thing. Now we are using a left alignment before, and you want to decide to make it a center alignment, or depending on what you want to adjust the content on your project. So you can come here again and come to this place. Make sure you are checking the boxes here, and you come here and you center align it. Okay, I made a mistake. This is it. Then you come here, then you click on the alignment, relative position, then you click at the center. So that these two will help you ease the stress of going here and there, adjusting, distorting the size, the shape and everything. And it has another function, which is once you highlight like this, you can delete them at once, or you can merge them. If you are merging something and you don't want it to affect the other, you can do them at once. So this is it. It asks me to merge, and now I have merged my design. So this is a new trick, and it's a wonderful trick that most of you might not know on Pixellab. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and smash the notification bell. More contents are loading. Alright guys, and always comment, drop your comments, and if you know about this tool before, try to share to others that are still learning.